Definition of number line. Number line is a visual representation of numbers on a straight line showing their relationship and order. To put this in simpler terms, it is a straight line with numbers marked at regular intervals. So we say number line is a visual representation of numbers on a straight line showing their relationship and order. That is, whenever you place numbers onto a straight line and then these numbers are in a specific order such that you can tell which comes before which and what comes next, then you are dealing with a number line. This is what a number line looks like. You have a straight line marked at regular intervals. Pardon? Please ensure you do this with a ruler. As you can see, I am trying so much to ensure that the space between each of my markings are the same. Yeah, here, let's stop here. So we have a horizontal line like this. Now it is marked at regular intervals. Now to it we can then put in integers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then here we have -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. You see what we have on this line are integers and they follow in steps of 1 from -5 to -4 to -3 to -2 to -1 to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And this arrow point you see that has been put at the ends of this line indicates that this line could continue forever, to continue to show the different numbers that come after. That is, a number here will be what? Yes, 8. The next one will be 9, and so on, like that. One thing that this number line helps us to do is to visualize what happens when you add two numbers together, when you subtract one number from another, as we will always do whenever we are working with integers. I believe now you can define a number line and also identify one when you do see it. Thank you.